This is the first time for me putting this pull cover on, and I'm going to tell you what, if you've never done it, it is an absolute pain. They are super stretchy tight. And so I'm going to build something for this next year, but what I did this year, got a pair of vice grips with this hook, and then I come along wrapped around my body, or a ratchet strap, so I can use my body weight to lean back and pull this thing, and it actually works really well. Oh, son of a... I know it's kind of shaky, but that's what it looks like. So, if you've got to fight one of these monsters, freaking anaconda things, do this. What I'm going to do next year is, if you go scuba diving, I do, and they sell, just look for weight belt, because it should be dirt cheap. It's a plastic buckle, and then they sell, it's like probably 2 or 3 inch wide nylon belt, and it's just that you buy it by the foot. But the thing is, it's really wide and really stiff because it's meant for holding weights on you. But I'm going to make a belt like that and then find a hook, and I'll just leave it with this cover. Hope that helped somebody, because I was out there fighting this thing using screwdrivers, pry bars, all kind of crap, and I finally thought of this, and it makes it easy. Thanks.